Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY using these removable wall decals. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with 4 of the decals in the color silver with the mandala symbol in the center. I'm attaching all 4 decals to a piece of Dollar Tree foam board. Next, I'm using this 12-inch square mirror to trace and cut out the center of my design. I'll show you what I did with the center a little bit later on in the video. Next, I used my utility knife to cut away the excess foam board. Next, I used generous amounts of tacky glue to attach my design to a second piece of Dollar Tree foam board. "20 minutes later, I again cut away the excess. Here, I'm using a piece of Dollar Tree sandpaper to smooth my foam edges as much as possible. I then covered those edges with this silver adhesive pearl wrap, also from Dollar Tree. Once my mirror was securely in place, I continued to add more of the pearl wrap. Here, I'm adding 2 rows of the pearl wrap. One of the rows will frame the foam board, and then I'm folding the second row down to hide the inside lining of the foam board as well. I repeated those steps to make a second piece, and here's the finished look. I really didn't want to throw away this leftover centerpiece, so I'll show you how I use this piece as well as other leftover materials to create a brand new project. Here I'm using a 12-inch mirror that I already had at home to round out my foam board. I then use this Dollar Tree mirror to trace and cut out the center of this circle. I used 4 foam boards for my first project, so here I'm gluing together the 4 pieces that were remaining. This self-adhesive pearl wrap sticks very well to flat surfaces, but for this round design, I made sure to incorporate hot glue as well. From this project, there was again a leftover centerpiece that I didn't want to throw away, so I've decided to make a smaller version as well. For this version, I'm using a 5-inch Dollar Tree mirror. And with that 5-inch leftover piece, yep, I bet you guessed it. I really love how this project turned out. And remember, I made all 3 of these with just one of my leftover pieces from project 1. I do have a second piece, and I could very well create a third project using leftover materials as well. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.